The way we live on Earth depends on how we perceive the interconnection of all things. How we look at the sky, the clouds, the sunlight, provides conscious understanding of the living systems of Earth. In ignorance of the interconnected intelligence of the universe, we may destroy nature in our quest for progress. In understanding of nature, we may co-create with nature. Our technology, science, art and lifestyle in tune with our natural habitat. When our natural intelligence is universally connected, there is the wisdom of holographic holism, as above, so below, and within. This is the natural law of healing and evolution.